Welcome back to Log Travels. Today I'm taking you to the vibrant city of Taichung, Taiwan, where we'll explore the stylish and modern Moxie Hotel. If you're looking for a fun, comfortable, and super convenient place to stay, this hotel has it all. Amazing designs, fantastic amenities, and a prime location. Let's dive in. Moxie Hotel Taichung greets you with its trendy and playful vibe right from the entrance. The lobby is mixed of an urban loft style and modern comforts, with its quirky decor and plenty of spaces to chill or catch up on work. Check-in is quick and easy, and as a bonus, you even get a welcome drink to kick off your stay. The rooms here are compact yet super functional. You got everything you need: a cozy bed, smart lighting, fast Wi Fi, and plenty of plugs for your devices. The design is sleek and fun, with a youthful energy that sets Moxie apart. Welcome to the Moxie Hotel. This is the superior suite, or not a suite, the superior twin room. Two twin size beds. Once you walk in, you'll notice that furnitures are hanging on the shelf. Big screen TV, pretty good. Get a relaxing chair. You get these table, which is hanging on the wall, that you can take down if you need to. Direct view of, I think that's the temple. Okay, turning around, you have a chair. And that's my luggage. You have that, and you have the drink. There is a hot pot, and not hot pots, but you can boil some hot drinks. This is some hand wipes and things like that. Hand wipes. There's everything in here. Oh, that's a little fridge. That's a fridge. Okay. I think that's just a holder. Okay. There you go. Here is the bathroom. Nice raindrop bathroom. Very good. And a little stool that you can, I guess, sit. The amenities. You also have hand wash here. Okay. Lights. Oh, guess what, guys? There's a bidet. Or bidet? 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 There you go. You can, use it to as a washlet. So it can squish. It has heat function, and it has, stuff. Toilet paper, of course. And that's about it. Okay. There's some little quirks. Do not disturb. Okay, there's some little quirks, and here is an escape route for Moxie. Moving on to the breakfast. There is a breakfast buffet at Hotel Moxie. It's available at a cost or free if you are a platinum member or above in the Marriott Bonvoy membership. It's packed with delicious options from fresh fruits to pastries, hot dishes, porridges, and my favorite, a DIY noodle station. You can customize your noodles with a variety of toppings and however long you want to cook your noodle. I find the breakfast option here to be plentiful and have a lot of different varieties, whether you want Western food or do you want more Asian cuisine. They kind of have it all. I really enjoy the porridge and of course the DIY noodles. There was some little beef that you can put onto it as well, and I love that you get to customize whatever ingredients that you want. I think that's kind of fun. I really enjoyed the experience, and the food was overall pretty good. Definitely worth a try if you were staying here at the Moxie in Taichung. In terms of amenities, fitness lovers, you're in luck. The gym here is fully equipped with everything you need, from cardio machines to free weights. It's spacious, clean, and ready for your morning workout. And if you're traveling light, no worries. They got a convenient laundry room to keep your clothes fresh during your trip. It requires coins, and if you want laundry detergents, it is also readily available at the front desk for a small price. Also, be sure to check out Hotel Moxie's rooftop bar. The views from up there are absolutely stunning, giving you a panoramic look at Taichung's skyline. Whether you're here for some sunset cocktails or a relaxed evening with friends, this atmosphere is unbeatable. The rooftop bar is definitely a vibe, modern, stylish, and the perfect spot to unwind after a day of exploring. Moxie Hotel's location is another big win. It's just steps away from the MRT, making it super easy to get around Taichung and explore the city's top attractions. So if you're planning a trip to Taichung, Moxie Hotel from the Marriott brand is an amazing choice. From modern design and excellent amenities to the convenient location, it takes all the boxes for a great stay. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more travel tips, and let me know in the comments if you'd like to stay here. Until the next video, see you later.